Hi guys, this is 80 anniversary again. It's been a while since I put anything in my YouTube channel. Anyway, I want to review this product. I found this product useful because I own a car and that car is 15 years old. So this product anyway from WAXCO, I bought at Mr.DIY Plaza Wawasan. It only cost me ringgit Malaysia 5 ringgit or approximately ringgit Malaysia 5 ringgit, approximately US dollar 2 ringgit plus. So I'm gonna try it on. I wanna see it whether the advertisement says it can turn old lamp into crystal clear one just like new. I want to see whether it works or not. So here goes. So this is before. This is before. This product is applied to this. As you can see, it's full of scratch. It's a little bit blurry. This is the result of 15 years of driving on the road. So I'm gonna try this product on. I want to turn it into this. Okay, let's see whether it works or not. So here we go. So this is what it looks like after applying the WAXCO. This is on the left one. The right one is still blurry. Okay, this is after. This is before. So I'm gonna give a verdict that WAXCO here really works. So you guys go ahead and go to Mr.DIY and buy this. It's very cheap car accessory. Okay, that's it from me now, and looking forward for another video on random stuff from anihobkk. Ciao guys.